Let's start pranayamas. Okay, sit straight. First thing is we have to sit straight, neck and spinal straight. The pranayamas, that is important in the posture. Padmasana, Vajrasana, Siddhasana, any comfortable meditative posture, sit straight. Take a deep breath. Stretch your spinal, up your lungs. Take your stomach in. Take both hands in Chin Mudra. Now let's start Kapalbhati. Active exhalation. Keep your mind focused on the Paramatma. When you do the pranayamas, you always should have a complete focus, concentration on the higher, the Supreme Self. Keep a beautiful smile on your face. In Kapalbhati, you must make sure when you are exhaling, you are pulling stomach inside. "60 rounds per minute. Keep doing it. Relax. Relax and observe the changes. And observe your breath. You can feel Keval Kumbhakasthiti, automatic cessation of your breath. Wonderful, calm and peaceful state of mind. Till sit straight, sit tall. Now let's do Bhastrika, deep inhalation. When you do Bhastrika, deep inhale, long exhale. Deep inhale, long exhale. With the help of hands, you can do deep inhale, rigorous breathing. "60 rounds per minute. "80. 100. Gradually slow down. Oh, lungs, respiratory system, digestive system must be cleansed. And filled with the prana shakti, whole body receiving that cosmic energy. Take a deep breath, inhale. Observe the top of the head, close your eyes. And feel that cosmic energy, the universal life force, the prana shakti is entering from the top of the head. You have activated your body to receive this energy with this pranayama. This pranayama allows you to receive that energy when you are observing, concentrating. Observe and absorb that cosmic energy with the prayer, with the devotion on that prana. Pranasyedam vase sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam matenu putrasya rakshasva sricha prajnacha videhinayiti. That universal prana takes care of you how mother takes care of child. Feel that whole body is energized with that universal prana, purifying every cell of your body, energizing, recharging, and removing all the impurities from every cell of the body, and removing all your ailments, body ailments. The prana can cure everything. The whole universe is under control of prana. You must understand, the prana is everything. Without prana, this body and this universe will not run. So that universal energy you need to understand and utilize that universal energy for your life. Now, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Touch your forehead. The two fingers with the right hand. The Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Now slowly inhale with left nostril. Keep your mind focused on that universal prana. Slowly exhale with right nostril. Inhale with right. Close your right nostril. Slowly exhale with left nostril. Very slow. Exhale time should be double than inhale time. This is one round. Continue another 4 rounds like that. At least 5 rounds. But try to do 11 rounds 3 times a day before meal. And if you can do more times with empty stomach, wonderful. It's a great pranayama to give you complete health. Purify all 72,000 nadis in your body. Energy points. You gain more concentration, mind power, immune power. Do slowly. Release mudra, relax. Observe. And next fourth pranayama, Ujjayi. Do Mula Bandha. Pull your anus up and then throat. Tighten up your throat. Squeeze your throat and make a small pipe. The snoring sound leads to the Ujjayi Pranayama. So another type of Ujjayi. Exhale, when you exhale, exhale with left nostril. Keep doing at least 5 to 10 rounds. This will help you to cure any throat problems, respiratory problems, snoring problem. It's a great pranayama to give you complete health, especially to clear out all throat infections, lung infections, all sorts of infections it can cure. But practice it with a dedication, concentration, with a regular, consistent practice. This will help you to raise your thought power, to rise your energy levels to the upper chakra, so you can observe Vishuddhi chakra, the throat chakra, to the Ajna chakra and Sahasrara chakra. All the upper chakras will be activated. You can feel the upward force, Udana. This will help you to grow spiritually.